As world leaders are gearing up for the annual UN General Assembly in New York, ANC's first Deputy Secretary General, Nomvula Mokonyane, says the global body must not turn a blind eye on the plight of Palestinians. Mokonyane, who is also the ANC's chair of International Relations Subcommittee, says Pretoria is clear about its foreign policy.
There is no way that the South African government will actually drop the case and drop the charges against apartheid Israel. That will never happen, and there's no GNU that will change our foreign policy, particularly in this regard, because even in the statement of intent on the GNU, the 6th clause, I think it's clause 6 or clause 9, actually raises the fact that no foreign policy will be a subject of reviewal or of engagement. And hence, that's why Comrade Ronald Lamula, our minister, led and advised by the president, are continuing with this. So we need to also send a message to the UN General Assembly that will be sitting in a few days' time, that we need to go beyond that, the resolutions after resolutions, and the failure of some of our bodies there, including the Security Council.
We know the importance of sanctions, the role that played in our struggle in isolating the apartheid regime. And so we think it would be a desecration to have such a conference here at Khayelihle, which is a site, a living memorial, not only to our struggle, but at the court, as the court proves, to our post-apartheid democracy.
We abhor the fact that people are saying that we're calling it a genocide, and that is radical. We know that Israel is committing a genocide against Palestine, and we need to do everything to stop this genocide.
This comes as South Africa has indicated it will file its memorial to the International Court of Justice next month. Pretoria intends to provide facts and evidence to prove that Israel is committing the crime of genocide in Palestine. It says the case represents a growing global effort towards ensuring peace in the Middle East.
We reject with contempt the firm hand of Netanyahu and his genocide against the Palestinian peoples, the forced occupation in the Gaza and elsewhere. So as a party, we think that there shall be no peace until the Palestinians are free.
Meanwhile, Lebanese citizens in Beirut have expressed their concerns after multiple device blasts across the country. According to Lebanon Health Ministry, the detonations killed more than 20 and injured scores of people in the West Asian country. In Spain, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas met with Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez. Recently, Spain, Ireland and Norway formally recognized Palestine as a state. Khayelihle Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.